Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's pronunciation lessons. Okay, so today we will focus on word stress in two-syllable words. All right, so by the end of the lesson, you will be able to recognize and also pronounce these words more clearly, and also you'll be able to know and also you can reflect the word that you know, which are two syllables. All right. So let's start with sharing the screen that I have prepared for you, by the way. Okay. All right, so this is the title of today's lesson. So word stress in two-syllable words that we already know that, and this is the lesson objective. I've already introduced that by the end of the lesson, so you'll recognize the stress into two-syllable words, and also you know some rules and you can say out loud, so to speak. All right, and here, let's start with some lead-in. Here I have prepared two words for you. What are those? Yes, exactly. Table. Okay. By the way, there are two words, but both of them are the same. But the difference is that I put some letters in capital form. And the first one, I put the TA in capital form. And in the second table, I put BLE into capital form, which is like the first one, table, and the second one, table. So which one do you think it's better? Which one is sounds more correct? Think about that. Yes, the first one, more often correct answer. Okay, so we have to read it louder. Table, table. All right, not table, table. Not like that. That sounds awkward. Okay. Okay, so let's practice this way. And here are some example of two-syllable words that you might have already learned previously. Okay, so let's read them together. Repeat after me. Table. One more time. Table. Right. Hotel. Hotel. Doctor. Doctor. About. About. All right, so let's try to repeat it once again. Table. Hotel. Doctor. About. All right, so you might notice that the small letters are slightly, lower or weaker than the capital letter sound. That's how it works. Okay, so that's why I make sure that I put those letter into capital and some letter into um, small letter. Okay, so which is slightly weaker to read them. So okay, so all right, so let's practice with pair words together with your friend. Okay, so um all right, you two together and all right, James and John together. Okay, so pair word together. So for example, the left student read table and the right student read hotel. Now go ahead. All right, so well done. Okay. All right, very good. Now, what you need to do is it's your turn to practice more freely, okay? So I want you all to, I want each pair, okay, each group to think of three more different words, okay? Three other words that those are two syllable. Three more different words, three other words. Okay, teacher, very good. All right, window. All right, group one window. Okay. Oh, group three. What was that? Yes, pencil that we need to use in our classroom material. Okay. Money, of course. We need money every day to buy food, to eat something. Yes, music. I love music as well. Okay, I hope you also enjoy some music in the classroom, maybe. All right, so now what I want you to do is for each student, okay? So think about think about three words, okay? For each student, think about three words which are two syllable, okay? And then you need to write down, okay? Please write down. All right, and then please mark the stress word which are like TA, okay? Please mark the stress word into capital letter. Yes. All right, so after you have written that, okay, what I want you to do is please share with your partner, read out loud. Thank you. All right, so group one, go ahead. Okay, group two, finish. Okay, please share with your partner, read out loud. All right. So once you've done that, okay, please try to submit your answer, your words, okay, in the group discussion board. All right. Okay, so when you finish that, okay, so please post into the group discussion and I will check the answer. All right. All right, so what did we learn today? Yes, we learned that today we cover the two syllable words. So what are some of the words? Table, all right, window, t-shirt, great, pencil, very good. Money, exactly. Okay, so we also need to focus on the stress area. All right, so just remember that. Okay, so yeah, just make sure that you put the stress syllable letter, the stress area correctly in turning into the capital letter. Okay, by using the capital letter. Very good. All right, so once you have done that, that's it for today. And thank you for joining the lesson with me today. And I hope you like this video. And also, please write your two syllable words in the comment below as well. All right, very good. Okay, thank you for joining, and we'll see you soon later. All right, bye bye.